Kia ora te whānau. Today we'll be talking about diphthongs. Now, this is a detailed version, so you don't really need to watch this video if you don't want to. So, what is a diphthong? It's a gliding vowel in an articulation of which there is a continuous transition from one position to another. So, like, continuous transition from one vowel sound to another. So, as in coin, oi, loud, ow, and side, I. Below the definition are all the combinations of the vowel sounds in te reo Māori. However, not all these are diphthongs. Here are the diphthongs. Diphthongs is when you glide the vowels together to form new sounds. For diphthongs, you need to glide the two vowels together to form almost like a new sound. Alright? For example, ai will be ai. Oe will be oe. So you glide the vowels together to form a new sound. Now, to simply put, you pronounce the vowels quite fast together to form a new sound. That's probably the easiest way to say it. Out of these are the trickiest in my opinion. And a lot of people get these two mixed up. First one, au, when you combine it and glide it and say a little bit fast, it sounds like oh, oh. The next one, o. Remember to glide the vowels and form a new sound and say it fast. O, o. Now these two sounds are different. O and o. They are quite different, so make sure you get that right. Now, most of the other combinations are what I call sequences. So when you can hear the distinctive vowel sounds. Simply put, when you see the sequences of vowels, say it a little bit slower so you can tell the distinctive vowels. For example, ea, ea, eo, eo, eu, eu, and so on. Now, try not to have a glottal stop or breaks between these sequences. For example, do not say ea. Say it together. Ea. So there's a subtle difference between diphthongs and sequences. Lastly, these are the double vowels. Now, this is the easiest one. So when you see double vowels, just pronounce these as vowels with macrons. For example, a. Instead of having the break, you just have the a and a macron. So it becomes a, e, o, and u. I hope you learned something new today. Kia kaha te reo Māori and Karawhiua. Give it a go.